morning, students. So, in yesterday's class, we were discussing about cross rate, right? So, definition of cross rate yesterday also I have written in this board that determining of exchange rate between two different currencies with the help of connected pair of currencies, right? So, we will start with simple illustration, but they may not ask such type of illustration in your SEM exam, but to but for better understanding purpose we are going to solve some simple problems, right? Later on we will go to complex level, right? So those who have not studied for principles of foreign exchange in your graduation, you should know how it works, how cross rate works. So the definition, once again I am telling, very important concept for 2 marks theory question. So it is the determining of two exchange rate between different currencies with the help of connected pair of currencies. Right? Now, see what happens if the common currency is given as a quoted currency. Now, 1 pound is equals to rupees 86 and $1 is equals to rupees 71. 1 euro is equals to rupees 79. Now the base currency is different and all the quoted currency are Indian rupee, that is domestic currency. Now we need to establish the relationship between these two currencies, these two foreign currencies, with the help of connected pair of currencies. Now the question will be, find cross rate between pound to dollar, dollar to pound, dollar to euro, euro to dollar, euro to pound, pound to euro. So with the help of these three quotations, currency quotations, we need to find pound to dollar. We need to establish the relationship between these two currencies and these two currencies and these two currencies, right? So how we are going to solve this? So first question they are asking is sterling pound to dollar. So pound to rupee is given, dollar to rupee is given, but they haven't given pound to dollar. We need to establish the relationship between these two, 1 pound and, so 1 pound is worth how much dollar, right? Now the sterling pound is rupees 86. 1 sterling pound is equals to rupees 86. That is rupee per sterling pound is rupees 86. Now we can rewrite same quotation as rupee per sterling pound, right? Now the same quotation, these $1 is equals to rupees 71. We can rewrite it as rupee per dollar, that is equals to 71, right? What that means, per each dollar rupee value is 71. For each sterling pound, for 1 sterling pound, rupee value is rupees 86, right? Now we need to establish the relationship between these two foreign currencies. 1 pound is worth how many dollar? Right? Now, see, sterling pound to dollar, we need to establish the relationship between. Right? So first, focus on the first currency they are asking. There are two currencies in the question. First one is sterling pound and another one is dollar. Now, the sterling pound is given and that is rupees 86 and dollar is given as rupees 71. That means the first currency should be numerator and the second currency should be denominator, right? Now 86 by 71 is, the answer is 1.21. Then what will be the currency symbol for 1.21? What does this mean? 1.21 means what? That means the first currency, 1 sterling pound, second currency, that is the denominator, it comes the answer. The answer should be in second currency symbol. Dollar 1.21, right? So see, pound, how many rupees is given? Dollar, rupees is given. So first currency they are asking pound $2. So first currency is pound here and second currency is dollar here. First currency becomes the numerator and second currency becomes the denominator. Now the answer will be with the currency symbol of denominator. Denominator is dollar. So 1 sterling pound is equals to dollar 1.21. This is also can be rewritten as dollar per sterling pound. Per means single sterling pound. Dollar is worth 1.21. Right? So this can be rewritten and this can be read as dollar per sterling pound is 1.21. Right? Similarly, the second question they are asking, dollar to pound, that means they are asking sterling pound per dollar. So the dollar becomes the numerator now. Dollar is 71 and denominator is second currency pound, that is 86. So that is equals to 71 divided by 86 is 0.82. So the currency symbol for answer is the second currency, or which one is the denominator. So sterling pound 0.82 is the worth of $1, right? Now again, in the question number A, see, now for better understanding purpose, question number A, they have asked that sterling pound to dollar. So we have solved that sterling pound is worth 86, that becomes numerator, and second currency is 71. So we got the answer as 86 divided by 71, that is 1.2112, right? Straight away you can calculate this question with the help of 1.2112. So how? So this means 1 sterling pound is equals to dollar 1.2112, or dollar per sterling pound is equals to 1.2112, right? Now with the help of this answer we can calculate dollar to pound also. See, this one is dollar per sterling pound is equals to 1.2112. Now they are asking that dollar sterling pound per dollar is how much? How many pounds for each dollar? $1. So in the earlier answer, question number A, we have solved that dollar per sterling pound is 1.2112. With the help of this, now we need to calculate sterling pound per dollar. Simply, it is 1 divided by 1.2112. Right? This also, the answer is 0.82. That means $1 is equals to sterling pound 0.82. So the question number B, with the help of answer from A, you can find out that 1 divided by answer of question number A. Right? So this becomes denominator and 1 divided by 1.2112, or you can find it this way also. So B, this way also you can find it, right? So both the way, which one is comfortable, you can solve, because we need such a type of answer in next few problems which are little complex. Fine. Now the question number C is, they are asking dollar to euro. Now they have given, that means dollar to euro. First currency is dollar, it becomes numerator 71 divided by euro is the second currency, so it becomes denominator 79. So that is equals to 71 divided by 79 is 0.8987. Now, which currency symbol? Right? So, second currency symbol, that is euro. That means $1 is equals to euro 0.8987. Right? Or it can be rewritten as euro per dollar. This must be 1 unit. Euro per dollar is 0.8987. With the help of this answer, we can answer question number D, euro to dollar. Now we have found out that dollar to euro is 0.8987 euro per dollar. Now euro to dollar is, that is equals to 1 divided by 0.8987. That is equals to 1.1127. So the currency symbol will be the second symbol, that is dollar, right? That means 1 euro is equals to dollar 1.1127. Right? You can solve this way, or you can write it as euro is how much? 79 divided by 71. You get the same answer, right? So these are the two ways you can solve these type of problems. Now with the help of these things, I think you can solve question number E and question number F, right? Now we will solve some more similar type of question. If you have any doubt in these things, we will solve those doubts once the offline classes starts, right? So now the question is, such type of question may appear in your SEM exam. Following codes are given. That is, the quotations are Euro 0.8021 per dollar, US dollar 0.0152 per INR, Indian rupee 71.22 per sterling pound. Now find the cross rate. Find the cross rate between euro per sterling pound, dollar per euro, rupee per euro, rupee per dollar, dollar per sterling pound. See, the quotations given are, these are the one-way quotation because there are no two prices involved in it. Not both ask and bid price is involved in this quotation. So such type of quotation is considered as one-way quotation. So one-way quotation, they have given euro per dollar and dollar per rupee and rupee per sterling pound they have given. With the help of these two, we need to establish the relationship between first one, euro per sterling pound, euro to sterling pound. We need to establish relationship between these two. But euro per dollar is given, dollar per rupee is given, and rupee per sterling pound is given. So now we need to establish relationship between these two, means we need to consider all these three quotations because there are no common currency which can establish the relationship between euro and sterling pound. So to reach from here to here, we need to encounter all these three quotations simultaneously, right? So that means euro per dollar. So question number 1, they have asked that establish the relationship between euro per sterling pound. That means the given quotations are euro per dollar into dollar per rupees into rupee per sterling pound. Then only we can reach from here to here, right? So in the given problem, euro to dollar is 0.8021 multiplied by 0.0152 divide is the given the quotation, and INR 71.22 per sterling pound, per 1 sterling pound. This is INR 0.0152 per dollar, sorry, US dollar 0.0152 per Indian rupee. 8021 is 0.8021 euro per single dollar, $1. That's why I have written as 1. So the answer will be 0.8021 into 0.0152, that should be multiplied by 71.22. So 0.8683. The question is euro per sterling pound is 0.8683. That means denominator is sterling pound, 1 sterling pound. Per sterling pound, euro is 0.8683, right? So see, all the quotations are given. They are asking us to establish the relationship between uppermost corner and lowermost corner. Now we need to establish, if we need to establish the relationship between these two, we have to consider all these three quotation, because there are no common currencies given in Indian rupee per sterling pound, or if the Indian rupee were given in this quotation, then we would have considered only these two, because INR will be common currency between these two currencies. So since there are no common currencies between this one and this one, we have to consider all these three quotation now. See, we are going to solve many problems, many problems related to same concept, cross rate. Then you will get to know, right? Now the second question they have asked is, second question they are asking is dollar per euro. So euro per dollar given in the problem is euro per dollar is equals to 0.8021, right? So euro per dollar is 0.8021. Now we need dollar per euro. So in the last problem also we have solved that if the given is 0.8021, that is euro per dollar, now they need dollar per euro. It must be 1 divided by 0.8021. So the answer will be 1.2467. So that means denominator per euro means 1 euro, dollar 1.2467, right? Now the third question they are asking is rupee per euro. Rupee per euro. So where are the rupees? Where are those quotations which includes rupee in it? Now we have to establish rupee per euro, right? So rupee is given here, euro is given here. So we need to consider only these two quotations, right? So it is given that rupee per euro, we have rupee per dollar is given, and dollar per euro we have, right? So these two currency quotations we need to consider, right? So rupee per dollar, in the given quotation it is dollar per rupee. Now if we convert it to rupee per dollar, then it becomes 1 divided by 0.0152 into dollar per euro. In yesterday's class we have solved that if we cross multiply it, then we can simply multiply these two, right? So rupee, dollar per rupee is given as 0.0152, but we need rupee per dollar, so we have written as 1 by 0.0152, right? Then dollar per euro, this one is euro per dollar. Now it is dollar per euro means euro per dollar is given as 0.8021. Now we need dollar per euro. So 1 divided by 0.8021 becomes 1.2467. 1.2467. Right? So that means 1.2467 divided by 1. So the answer will be 1 divided by 0.0152 multiplied by 1.2467. That is equals to 82.01. Now the question they have asked is rupee per euro denominator euro, per euro means euro 1 euro, the rupee will be 82.01, right? Now the next question they have asked as rupee per dollar. Fourth question is rupee per dollar. Given in the problem is dollar per rupee. Dollar per rupee is 0.0152. So rupee per dollar is 1 divided by 0.0152. That is equals to 1 divided by 0.0152 comes 65.78. So the denominator dollar 1 is equals to numerator rupee 65.78, right? Next, the fifth question they are asking is fifth question is dollar per sterling pound, right? Now we need the help of dollar is given and sterling pound is given. So we need to consider these two quotations now. USD that is equals to dollar per rupee into rupee per sterling pound. So these becomes cancelled while we cross multiply it, right? So dollar per rupee is given. Dollar per rupee is given as 0.0152 multiplied by rupee per sterling pound is given, that is 71.22, right? See, they are asking to establish a relationship between dollar to sterling pound. In the given quotation, we are considering those two quotations which include both dollar and sterling pound, right? So dollar is given and the common currency in these two quotations, we need to consider those two quotations which must be having common currency in it to establish the relationship between dollar and sterling pound, right? Now the common currency between these two quotations are rupees, so we can easily cancel it, right? So first quotation is dollar per rupee, it is given as 0.0152. Second quotation is given as rupee per sterling pound, right? So now these denominator and these numerator we can cancel it. So dollar per rupee is 0.0152 they have given. Rupee per sterling pound they have given as 71.22. Right? That means 0.0152 multiplied by 71.22, that becomes 1.08. You can write a 4-digit as pips, 1.0825. So they have asked that dollar per sterling pound. Per means 1 sterling pound is worth dollar 1.0825, right? So dollar 1.0825 is equals, that is per sterling pound, that means one single sterling pound, right? So this type of question appears in your SEM exam, right? So we will solve some more similar type and we will increase the level complexity level also. Fine. If you have any doubt, we will solve once we meet in offline class. Fine. Thank you.